चंद्र की जय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय साई राम। When we discuss about the avatars, the incarnations in Dharma Sanatan or Hinduism, which is a very important feature in our religion or in our culture. In Satya Yuga, we find five avatars, five incarnations. They are Matsya, Kachapa, Varaha, Nrsimha and Vaman. In Treta Yuga, we find two avatars, Parshuram and Ram, Sri Ram. In Dwapar Yuga, we find one avatar, that is Balram, Haladhari. And in Kali Yuga, we find two avatars, Bhagavan Buddha and Kalki, who is to come. So this is the provision that has been laid, and it functions automatically. Behind Avatarvad, behind any incarnation, Srimad Bhagavad Gita tells us in chapter 4, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirбhavati bharata abhyuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. The basic principle of avatar, the creator is to come, avatarit, he will come from above to solve the situation that has taken place here and on earth under the sun. The miscreants are to be killed, the wrongdoer is to be punished, and the people, the sadhus, are to be given the safety, custody. So this is the motive behind avatar. So when we talk of incarnation in Srimad Bhagavatam, in first Skanda, we find 24 avatars, including Hansa, Dattatreya and all that group. So, but in Vishnu Puran, which is supposed to be the best Puran about Lord Vishnu, it's only 10 avatars. So, the question of presence of Lord Krishna in avatar is not there. So, we don't find Krishna as an avatar, as an incarnation, Lord Krishna. Somehow, people sum up saying that Krishnastu Bhagavan Soyam Purna Brahma. He is told as Purna Brahma, so he is not here. Again, in the soil of Odisha, when we chant Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. This has been questioned by some people, that why Krishna, name of Krishna comes first. There is a reason for it, because Krishna came later on. First Ramji first came. So why his name will be accentuated or to be told first? But in the soil of Odisha, Mahamantra is like this. But in other states I have seen, it begins from Sri Ram. So Lord Krishna, behind any avatar, when corruption, injustice is in a very lofty height, to kill the demons, to kill the villains, monsters, he comes. So under any avatar or incarnation, there is a motive to kill the monster and to establish the faith, the religion, and to give protection to the sadhus, the honest people. So Lord Krishna, we chant as Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So Vyasadev, Bhagavan Vyasa told, Krishnastu Bhagavan Soyam. So Krishna is the Almighty. In our Odia poet Dinakrishna has written, it's a bit different. जगन्नाथ ए 16 कला, जगन्नाथ ए 16 कला, तहु कला ए नंदबला, कला को 16 कला करी गोपेनाथ ई नरहरि. So this is the version of the great philosopher, the great poet and the great scholar Dinakrishna. But in the mundane world, Krishna in the Mahabharata is the true hero. He has made all the plans and programs to finish the Kurus because they were egoistic, they were after injustice. So to give justice to Pandavas. So Lord Krishna, who is the 100% Brahman, Akashat patitang toyang yatha gacchati sagaram sarvadevang namaskaram keshabang pratigacchati nahang tisthami vaikunte muninang hridayana cha madhvaktaha yatra gayante tatra tisthami narada namo brahmanya devaya go brahmana hitaya cha jagadhitaya krishnaya govindaya namo namah. Krishna, the Almighty, who pervades the whole of Mahabharata, being the true hero of Srimad Bhagavatam. And Bhagavata, the Srimad Bhagavatam is told as Krishna Charita Bhagavatam. That means in 10th skandha, Gopa Kanda, or the 10th skandha, that directly deals with the Leelas of Sri Krishna. It directly deals with the Leelas of Krishna, the divine deity. So, Lord Krishna is all pervading, is all immanent, and in Lord Jagannath, some people say that the Brahman in Jagannath is Lord Krishna's heart that is throbbing all the time. So, when Odia Bhagavata was written by Das Atibadi, so he has described Jagannath as Lord Krishna. So, Atibadi Jagannath Das knew nothing except Jagannath. He was all a devotee through and through of Lord Jagannath. But very fantastically enough, he could disclose or he could discover that Sri Lord Jagannath is nothing other than Lord Krishna. So the Krishnatva, the qualities of Krishna, the Leela of Krishna, Lord Krishna, has been given to Lord Jagannath. So Lord Jagannath is nothing other than Lord Krishna. Siyava Ramchandra ki Jai.